Hey y'all, hey. Today I'm getting ready for our anniversary breakfast. We go here every year. This is where we met up for the first time. So we made it a tradition to go and eat here every anniversary. At where? Waffle House. Y'all better stop playing. Talking about, oh, I can't eat there. No, don't take me there. You mess around and miss your boo.
She took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, Scotty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap.
You little baby.
I see some niggas attack. Don't end up taking it back.
Yo, why, babe? You notice she buttoning that shirt wrong? We just backing up. Huh? Okay, it's too much wind.
In it. Oh my God.
Faded off 1942, thinking of the nights I spent with you. Wondering if you're still there. No wondering if you're still there. Faded off 1942, thinking of the nights I spent with you.
Somebody had ready to open it.
I did. Go ahead.
You already know why I'm smiling.
I know.
Like when I came here on Sunday, I was irritated and I was like, still feeling like that. And then this guy's asked me to make like mayonnaise overnight.
You have an understanding partner.
Sure.
What? I read this side first?
Yeah, and then go to the arrow.
No. Okay.
What? Happy anniversary.
Who did that? You did that?
No,
You went and got this today?
no.
When you got this?
Everybody burned my finger.
Huh?
That's what I was hiding under the band-aid.
You got it yesterday?
Like,
So I can get mine too?
you can.
Oh my God. You are so, that's why you come out, you didn't want me to wear it. What I'm gonna do with you?
Love me.
I already do that.
And this is later on that day after we got back. Don't let these people out here tell y'all that, okay, Waffle House is not good enough for you and everything. It's who you with. You see, this is the love of my life. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos. Remember to be you, because only you can do it best, and just live, because that's the message.